So we've all seen how to make our popcorn maker 3000, but now we're going to put the popcorn in. Lift the lid. Don't put too much in. That's plenty, because of course it's going to get a lot bigger. Lid back on. Click it shut. Over to the fire. Now, with a lot of the food we've been cooking tonight, the trick has been not to have raging, burning flames. We want to have a nice bed of coals. It's going to give us heat, but not burn our food. And it's the same with popcorn. Look what we've got here. A nice bed of coals, pushed together, and we can put the popcorn popper just over the heat. We don't touch the popcorn with the heat. That's too close. This is fine. I'm resting it on my leg too, otherwise it gets tiring quite quickly. Maybe you could even make a device which holds the popcorn maker in place. All we have to do now is wait. It's a good time for a sing-song, maybe some campfire tunes, maybe a ghost story. A good way to check whether it's a good heat to cook on, put your hand there. If you can't leave your hand there, it's good for cooking. If you can leave your hand there for too long, there's not enough heat in it, so that means you're going to have to put some more coals back on the fire and let it get up to temperature. Every now and then, give it a little shake, back and forth or side to side, but never up and down. Unless you've built a popcorn maker which has got a lock on the lid, unlike ours. Oh, we're getting the first few pops of the corn now. It's really getting hot. Oh, popping nicely now. If you see any smoke coming from the bottom of the corn, it's burning, so give it a shake and then lift it a little bit away from the coals to reduce the heat. This is doing great. No signs of any burning. How do you like your popcorn? Do you like it sweet or salted? So we've been cooking it about 10 minutes and look how much popcorn we've got now just from that small amount we put in earlier. So don't fill it up too much. And we can have a little look underneath. Yep, there's a couple of unpopped kernels, but there always will be, that's fine. Ready to put some flavour on it. Or a lot of the kids at our forest school just like it campfire smoky flavour. That's really good too.
This is an interesting twist that we can have on popcorn. Now, often we find popcorn is sweet. I'm not into sweet stuff. I like savoury. So this is a vegan cheese and onion flavouring to our popcorn. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I've got a handful of popcorn here, and in it goes to this pan. Can you see in that pan it's got some melted coconut oil? Took a few seconds to melt on the fire. I'm just going to coat the popcorn, put a little bit more in. You can use rapeseed oil, whatever you feel is healthiest, or your preference. Oops. So this is just making the popcorn a little bit sticky. Okay, so I've coated that popcorn nicely with the oil. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of onion salt. Okay. Oh, probably a bit too much. And I'm going to sprinkle that.
Is this going to be like cheese and onion crisps then?
Yeah. This is a nutritional yeast, okay, and it's a vegan's favourite to make things taste cheesy, nutty, and it's super good for you. It's like fish food, but it just gives things...
It tastes better than fish food though, doesn't it?
Oh God, yeah. So I've put some onion salt in there, and I've put some nutritional yeast. I think I might put a bit more in. Now there's lots of ways, little handy tricks and tips of how to flavour your popcorn. Things like Worcester sauce, chilli sauce. You've just got to be careful you're not going to wet the popcorn and make it go soggy. With this, it doesn't go soggy at all.
I've heard you can do Marmite popcorn as well.
Yeah, I can't get that to work. It's too thick and sticky for me. But Jamie Oliver says it's a thing. If you find a way how to do it, do let me know, because I love Marmite. Now that is the popcorn I like. Never mind sticking sugar on it. Yeah. Oh my God.
So kids, how tasty is cheese and onion popcorn from 1 to 10? What do you think?
Well, I'm giving it a 10. That's really, really good. That's the best I've ever done it.